Hi everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video. Once again, I'm here for sharing something, and trust me, guys, today's video is gonna be very interesting and very helpful for all the learners because in this video, I'm about to talk what are the reasons because of your English is not improving. Yes, guys, we do practice every day, we put our efforts every day, but along with that, what are the reasons, what are the mistakes that we make, and because of that our English does not improve. So if you want to know the reasons because of that you are stuck, you are not improving, and so you will have to watch this video completely, because from this video I'm gonna talk about the practical reasons because of that reasons we do not improve our English, even if we do practice every day, even if we put our efforts, although we try to speak in English language always, but we do not improve, we do not find our improvement. So first of all, let me explain the language learning journey. Okay, what are you considering about language learning? To my point of view, language learning is a process. Like language learning is a process, and we learn these things step by step. So it will be very fully if we take advantage in short times. If we want to take advantage in short times, if you think that I have to learn this language in short way, I have to improve my English, however it may be possible, however it must be possible, I will do everything for improving my English in short time. So if you are the one who are thinking about it, so you are gonna make one mistake, because language is a process. Language means our communication skills, and we do not learn these things in short time. Every day we talk with people, but why do we need to improve our communication skills? Most of the time, mostly you must have seen that people are learning how to communicate with people, even they know how to talk with people, but why are they learning this skill? So this is a skill, and it takes time to learn anything. And language means we want to we want to share our thoughts, we want to communicate with person, and that's why we are learning English language, right? And it is a long process. You can learn English language in short time, but for natural sound, for speaking naturally, for talking with anyone, it will take time. Obviously it will take time, so do not run after learning English language in short of time, because it is a process. You will have to learn this language step by step. So it may be your first reason you want to jump on second step by skipping first step. It will not work. Okay, so it is your first reason. Because of that you are just running after learning this language in a short time. That's why we just think that I have to do, and you just take these things as a blunder in your mind, and that's why you feel that you're not improving, and most of the time you feel anxiety, you feel depression, that how can I learn this language in short time, and you just think about it, and because of that your mind feels very tired because of thinking all the time. So stop it, stop thinking a lot of time about this language. It is a language, and put your efforts as much as you can, but not that much, not all the time. You don't need to think about it always. Always means do not take these things as a very heavy things. It is a language, we can learn this language slowly, we can definitely learn. Why are you in hurry? You don't need to be hurry. Okay, so it is your first reason. Because of that mostly people are running after fluency, or running after learning in sort of time. That's why we are skipping so many steps of learning any language, and they are not able to improve themselves. That's it. Okay, if you are the one who are doing this, so stop doing this and see the drastic change, see the improvement that will get after skipping these things, after stopping these things. Okay, so it was first reason. And second reason is that you do not enjoy your journey. You just It is like our first reason. Okay, you do not enjoy your journeys whenever you learn English language, whenever you practice an English language. That time you think that I'm doing speaking practice, so how will I get a better from this practice? Means always you think about betterment. Always you think that how can I be proficient in English? How can I achieve fluency in this language? How can I uh, achieve accuracy in this language? You just think about it, and because of this kind of thinking, you do not enjoy the journey. Where you go, where you are going, you do not enjoy the journey. Suppose that I want to go somewhere, if I want to go Kashmir, okay, and while going Kashmir, in the journey of going there, I'm thinking that I will enjoy after reaching Kashmir, I will enjoy the nature after reaching Kashmir, and I am just thinking about it, but I'm not enjoying the view of that path. I'm not enjoying the view of that street of Kashmir. I'm not enjoying that whole journey. I'm thinking about enjoying my life, my day after reaching in Kashmir. And after reaching Kashmir, what will happen? I will start feeling tired. So, where is my enjoyment? That will be in Kashmir, or that was in the journey of that Kashmir, that was in the path of that Kashmir. Obviously, that will be in the journey of Kashmir, that will be in the path of Kashmir. Okay, so do not try to enjoy the moment when you will be there. Enjoy the journey when you are going through on that moment. Enjoy every process so that you could enjoy every process, and after reaching on your goal, after reaching on your main point, you will think that yes, I have enjoyed this journey, that's why I have something to tell people. It may be your second reason, like, right? Most of the people, they are running after their goal. I mean, they just want to achieve everything in one time. It will not work. In one time we cannot focus on everywhere, so focus on one thing, and try to enjoy this journey. Try to enjoy every moment whenever you do practice, whenever you talk with people, whenever you learn something from anything, from anyone. So enjoy that today I have learned this from these people, and from this kind of videos, from this there, whatever you learn, you just need to enjoy that. Yes, today I have learned this. It will be helping to me on reaching my goals. Take that things as a motivational things, and trust me, if you try to enjoy your journey will be easier. You have made your journey very like bored things. You have made your journey like very heavy things. You are not gonna enjoy that journey, because you have already made your journey very boring. That's why you will not feel very enjoyment. So enjoy your journey always. Whenever you learn something from anyone, try to enjoy that moment. Okay, it was second reason. And if I talk about third reason why your English is not improving, so third reason is, you all of you, or you all know about it, and that is consistency. Obviously, that is consistency. We do not maintain our consistency, that's why we do not get improvement, we do not get result. Okay, so maintain your consistency, and for that, for maintaining your consistency, you will have to make yourself happy, you will have to make yourself ready for learning English language. And always, if you think that I have to learn this language in short time, how can I enjoy this, how can I do this and that, so you will be thinking about it, and your mind will be working for thinking about it, and your mind will tired after thinking about it. Your mind will not work for maintaining consistency. So give time to your mind that you will have to maintain consistency however you can do. So try to maintain your consistency so that you could do uh, practice, you could have improvement. And for these things you will have to maintain yourself first. Okay, so I hope that I have shared those reasons that was really needed to know all of us. So I hope that after knowing these reasons you will remove these things and you will get rid of this. And I will meet you in the next video, but before that, please give me topic when on which you want video, and I will try to make video on that so that I could help something for you. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.